Want to learn how to use Clipchamp on your PC? Clipchamp is Microsoft's video editor for creating and editing videos with clips, images, audio, text, transitions, effects, templates, and more. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Clipchamp on a PC step by step in 2026. First, search for Clipchamp from the Windows Start menu or taskbar and open the app. On Windows 11, Clipchamp is included with Windows, while Windows 10 users can install it from the Microsoft Store. Once Clipchamp opens, select the option to create a new video. You'll see the main editor with your media area, toolbar, preview window, and timeline. These are the main areas you'll use while editing. Next, import your videos, images, and audio files. You can select Import Media, drag files directly into Clipchamp, or use supported cloud integrations. Your files will appear in the media library. Drag your media from the library onto the timeline. From here, you can arrange clips, trim unwanted sections, split videos, and change the order of your content. Use the preview window to check your edits as you work. Now customize your video with text, music, transitions, filters, effects, captions, and other creative elements. You can also use Clipchamp's stock media and templates to build your video faster. If you need additional content, Clipchamp can also record your screen or webcam, and you can add voice recordings to your project. This is especially useful for tutorials, presentations, and demonstration videos. Before exporting, play the entire project from beginning to end. Check the video, audio, text, transitions, and timing. Make any final adjustments before creating the finished file. When everything looks good, select Export and choose your preferred video quality. Clipchamp will create the finished video file that you can save to your computer or share. And that's how to use Clipchamp on a PC in 2026. Open Clipchamp, create a project, import your media, edit your clips, add creative elements, preview your video, and export the finished result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.